Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are in Las Vegas, downtown Las Vegas. We're going to visit the Container Park today. Right out front here of the Container Park, we have this heart sculpture filled with hundreds, if not thousands, of love locks and love letters. We also have the famous fire-breathing praying mantis. He only breathes fire at night, so we're not going to see any fire coming out of him right now, but it's a pretty good attraction here at the Container Park. From gourmet quick service dining at Downtown Terrace to award-winning beef jerky at JoJo's Jerky, there's something for everyone here at the Container Park. Kids will love the interactive playground featuring the treehouse, and adults can relax while enjoying free concerts, movies, and more on the main stage. The park is open Monday through Thursday, 11:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. On Friday, it's open 11 a.m. to 1 a.m., Saturday, 10 a.m. to 1 a.m., and Sunday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. The restaurants and shops are pretty much keeping the same hours as the entire Container Park. And Mantis, as he's known around here, the giant fire-breathing praying mantis, is lit up beautifully at night and does indeed breathe fire. So come on in with me. Let's check out the Container Park, take a walk around. It's got a couple of stories here. We'll walk all of them and see what's open, what's not open. Check out the stage, some of the restaurants. Come on in. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. There's more than a great selection of retail stores at the Downtown Container Park. They also feature some of the best restaurants and bars in downtown Las Vegas. Located on historic Fremont Street, the open-air shopping center offers a variety of dining experiences that are sure to please everybody. They also have a thrill ride here at the Container Park. It's called the Great Elevator Ride. It's a spectacular journey to the second and third floors. Best thing is, this thrill ride is free and you can ride it as many times as you want. And before you all start leaving comments in the comment section, that thrill ride thing was all tongue-in-cheek. It's just an elevator, folks. It was very hot when I was visiting the Container Park, but hey, we're in Las Vegas, it's always pretty much hot here. And the good thing about the Container Park is there's lots of trees that offer shade and benches that you can relax on. And where there are no trees, they have those fancy schmancy tarps that go overhead, so you're pretty much in shade in lots of areas around here. This area on the left is a huge playground for the kids, and it's got a treehouse as well. And in case you were wondering, the Container Park is within walking distance of the Fremont Street experience. It's just a few blocks away. This is the stage here at the Container Park. They do live shows here on the weekends, and there's plenty of grass to, it's artificial grass, but there's plenty of grass to lay out and sprawl out on while watching the show. They also have some seats around the perimeter as well. And if you want to make that tattoo you're getting more memorable, get it done here at Black Spade Tattoo. You can tell all your friends you got your tattoo on a train. And here we have a lot more love locks and love letters on a piece of work called Downtown Las Vegas. Some of the casual eating you'll find here at the Container Park include Bin 702, Downtown Terrace, Good Lifestyle, CBD and Kava, Las Vegas Kettle Corn and Special Eve, Mob Pie, which is a pizza joint, Boba, which is Asian food, and then they have Oak and Ivy, which is known for their cocktails, Pinch's Tacos, Sugar Shop Candy and Gifts, as well as Waffle Lotto. So in case you were wondering, the Container Park, all the tenants here are housed in metal cubes and shipping containers. The project was conceived about a decade ago, and construction began 2012, and the project opened on November 25th, 2013, with 34 tenants. The mall includes 43 shipping containers and 41 cubes. The Container Park would serve as a place for startup businesses to open. Such businesses would be funded by the downtown project. The Container Park was unanimously approved by the Planning Commission on August 2012. However, there were several concerns about the project, including its inward-facing design, which would limit exterior access. The nearby Neonopolis Mall used a similar design and was struggling financially as a result. Because of crime in the downtown area at the time, the project would be largely surrounded by fencing for security, further restricting access. The Container Park would also include a children's playground, which we saw earlier in the video, although there were concerns about having such an attraction in a project that would also serve alcohol. There was also concern that local teenagers would try to procure alcohol from the Container Park. The City Council eventually approved an ordinance that would allow outdoor entertainment complexes such as the Container Park to serve alcohol despite the presence of children. The Container Park ultimately received a temporary tavern license, but only after agreeing not to include exterior signage for Pinch's Taco, one of the project's restaurants. In Spanish, pinche is sometimes considered a vulgar word, and its use as a restaurant name prompted criticism. So obviously it took some time and work to get this place open, but eventually it was opened in 2013. See? They really are shipping containers. What do you say we hop on that thrill ride I spoke about earlier, the Great Elevator Ride, and check out the second level here at the Container Park? Whoa, hang on people, here we go! That was fun! Let's do it again! Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. I decided to take the stairs down. I don't think I can take that elevator thrill ride anymore today. And that's pretty much it for the container park. I don't know if I'd make a special trip downtown just to visit this place, but if I was downtown, it's only a block or two away from the Fremont Street experience, I would definitely check it out. What do you think? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.